Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest Donald. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest Donald issues, you should just go to settings. After that we go to click apps, default default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to this window of Pinterest. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Pinterest. When you will find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.